Hey, guess what? We are getting some trees taken down today. We have 4 trees that we're having taken down, and we've been waiting for quite some time. We have 3 pine trees and, hey Camden, and 1 pecan tree. Very exciting day today. Let's go. Good morning.
Hello.
Did you sleep well?
What?
Did you sleep well? Yeah? Well, good. We have some trees coming down today. You excited?
Really?
Yeah.
I wonder when this baby comes.
It's today. The trees are coming down today. I just got home from running some errands, and I just pulled down our street and all the tree people are here. It is guys, that's all I've got for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today started out kind of with didn't have anything in mind and just kind of wanted to vlog and kind of go throughout the day, and then we ended up having trees taken down. So that was kind of cool, and the kiddos got to see it, and the company was super kind and let me do all the videoing. It was kind of cool. Very interesting to see. Great company. They're going to be back out tomorrow to take down the 2 big pine trees in our backyard. And they've cleaned up, and they were super safe, and they communicated. I showed the kids how they all wore their headsets, and you could tell the communication was really strong. So really stand-up company, and we were just excited to watch it happen today. So we will see y'all next time. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Right, Cheney?
Yep.
Give us a thumbs up and all that good stuff. See ya.